Word Experiments, brought to you by the Boys and Girls Club of Siouxland. Each week we'll bring you a cool, fun new experiment. Some you can try at home, others are just cool to watch.
Always have your parents help you with any science experiment. And remember, safety first.
Hey guys, Ernesto and I decided to read Bartholomew and the Oobleck.
So we decided to have a Dr. Seuss themed episode.
And of course, we had to start with Oobleck.
And we're going to do 2 different kinds today.
Alright guys, we're going to start with my version of Oobleck, the borax version. First, you're going to need 8 ounces of school glue, a cup of warm water. Optional is food dye. Now, be careful with this because it can stain almost everything. And finally, your borax. You only need a tablespoon of this. Alright guys, first you're going to start with your glue and just pour it right into the bowl. Make sure to get as much of it out as you can at first. Next, you're going to add your borax. Give it a small stir. Next, you're going to add your food dye. I have it on a Q-tip, but a toothpick will work way better. Now you're just going to spread it around just like that. Now remember, this does stain, so like me, I'm wearing gloves and my clothes are nowhere near my hand. Next, you're going to add your warm water into your glue bottles. Next, you're just going to shake up your glue, just to get all that loose glue in there. And then, next, you're going to add about half the bottle at first into the bowl. That's good. Yeah, a little bit more. Now we're going to give it a nice stir real fast. Now, since I have gloves, I think this will work way easier if I just use my hands. Feels weird. Add a little bit more water. That should be fine. Now, I'm just going to clump this all into a ball and put it on our display plate. Ooh, really sticky. Looks alright. Let's see how Ernesto's turns out.
Alright guys, for my version of this experiment, you will only need cornstarch, water, and food coloring if you want. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to need at least 2 cups of cornstarch. You want to add your water slowly, but don't add all of it at once, just because if you add too much, you're going to have to add some more cornstarch, and then more water, more cornstarch, and until it gets the right consistency. The consistency you want it to be is you want it to be runny, but when you lift it up, it starts to become liquid like this, kind of like glue. And then you have Oobleck. Now we're going to add our food coloring. You don't have to, but if you do, just be careful because it will stain. Now that we have it in there, I'm going to set this aside. And then we're going to mix it together.
Yours definitely came out more like Oobleck, so cornstarch, definitely a better ingredient for that.
Yeah, I feel like yours could have made a lot of bouncy balls if you would have formed it into balls first.
That's true.
But yeah, other than that, it's pretty cool.
So Ernesto, what happened? Why is yours both solid and liquid? Is it magic, like in the Dr. Seuss book?
No. It's science. Well, Ernesto, it is a non-Newtonian fluid.
What's that?
Well, basically, a non-Newtonian fluid is a substance that acts like a solid and a liquid depending on the amount of pressure you put onto it.
Look, I made some bouncy balls.
Whoa, try bouncing them.
Let's see.
Wow.
Wow.
That is cool.
Yeah, looks like both of our experiments worked, just in different ways. You made Oobleck, and I made bouncy balls.
Yeah.
Okay, so I put some pressure around one of them and turned it into a ball. Like I did with these ones earlier. It turned much more solid, and after sitting a while, it started to become a liquid, just very, very slowly.
Thank you for watching
E Squared Experiments, brought to you by the Boys and Girls Club of Siouxland. See you later.